Alrighty guys, today's a super exciting day because we're touring the most expensive condo that we've toured on this channel to date. We're flirting just under the $1 million price point. It's a 3-bedroom condo overlooking the north side of the Viewpoint building, and it actually overlooks the entire north side of the Midtown area. You're gonna get incredible views because this property is on the 30th floor and it's completely renovated. This is one of my favorite properties I've ever toured, and it's still available. So if you guys fall in love with the property like I did today, be sure to contact me in the description below. All of my information's there because I'm sure you guys are gonna love this. But without further ado, let's get into the property.